JBZ OC9 Paper Cup Machine speed is 70 to 80 pcs per minute. Cup size range is from 2 to 9 Oz. The advanced of open cam system make it easy maintenance and stable. The automatic oil lubrication system guarantees mechanical parts to work more smoothly. Sensor failure detecting, which can greatly improve operation safety, can stop working automatically if the machine has any problem. It can finish the whole process including paper feeding, paper fan sealing, cup bottom punching and feeding, heating, knurling, cup top curling, cup stacking. It is the best choice for making small size paper cups.